Alright, well, I have not made a video in quite some time. Just really nothing to talk about, I got some stuff to do. I think I need a battery for my Sportster, and then I got brakes for the Sportster. So those are a couple videos that may be coming up soon. But I'm in the middle of, well, not in the middle of anymore, but kind of in the final stages of a kitchen remodel. So that's what's taken up my time lately. So, but maybe I'll throw some pictures up, but I'm going to change my logo. So one of these next two pictures I'm going to use this one's not too bad. It's wings with like a V-twin engine and my TSW in the middle on the engine, so that's not too bad. And then this one, it's a side profile of my Indian Challenger with not really me on it. It's just a guy on it. I probably like that one better than the last one I showed. So one of those two, I will make my new logo. You guys can comment down below on which one you like better, and we'll see. I do like that one of the side profile of my Indian, or of a Indian. And then I've got two new vinyl sticker I guess designs or whatever. So the first one I really like. It's of my Sportster. I just sent a guy a picture of my Sportster and my Indian, and he drew these I guess I'm not gonna call them, they're not logos, but these graphics, I guess. So, but I do like this one. It is again, it is my Sportster. Looks like in the desert. Obviously, it's got cactus and such. And then this next one is more a night theme. You got it. Of my Indian Challenger. Those are actually my bikes that he took, just pictures I sent him, and he drew them out. I'm going to say he drew them out. So I don't know. I'm not a Photoshop guy or whatever. I don't know if you can take a photo and do that easily, which is fine. I think it looks good. Anyway, so those are kind of a couple things I may either get a t-shirt made out of, or definitely vinyl stickers I'll have created or just do myself. So anyway, in the comments below, comment on the what logo I should use out of the first two, and tell me what you think about the other two graphics that I had made. I mean, I don't hate any of them, but I'll just pick what I like, I guess. Or if there is a big opinion on the logo, one versus the other, maybe I will think about choosing what you guys have in mind. So anyway, that's about all I have for now. So this will be a short little vlog, and we will catch you later. Oh, I do have a couple things. Or I bought the new DJI Osmo 3. That's more like this camera here, not that square thing. I do have that in my possession. I did order it, and I got it last week probably. So I'm going to try that out and see if the mic and the charging thing on the side here works. So anyway, I think that's it. I did buy a new for my Superman rear rock helmet. I bought the new Senna Harman Kardon or whatever mic and such, but that's no big deal. But I'll mount that to my my Superman helmet. That way I can just take off my Senna and move it from one to the other without physically having a Senna, whole nother Senna unit wasted on just another helmet. I do have one, but I think I'm going to save it for if my wife goes or whatever. Then she'll have Bluetooth and we can communicate. Anyway, now that's it. I'm going to sign off, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.